Okay, here's another problem. This time I don't have any parentheses or I'm not distributing anything, so I could do the common denominator on each term. Where before I just had a parentheses and I was distributing it, I only wanted to do it on the fractions outside the parentheses. However, since we don't have a parentheses, we don't have anything, we can't do it that way. So here's what we're going to do. I'm looking for a common denominator. It looks like my common denominator is going to be 6. So I'm going to put a 6 above each of these. Alright, so I'm going to multiply these common denominators with the numerator. That's going to be 12. 12 divided by 3 is going to be, and I'm talking about right here, divided by 3 is going to be 4, and it's going to be x. Now, 6 times 1 is 6, but then divide by 6 gives me a -1. Alright, 6 times 1 is 6, but divided by 2 gives me 3x. Then 6 times 5 is 30, so I'm multiplying these two. So 6 times 5 is 30, divided by 6, that's going to give me a 5. Whenever your denominator and your common denominator are the exact same thing, you can cross it out and you can see that it's plus 5, and so is the bottom part here. The same way with this one right here. The common denominator and the denominator in that fraction are the same, so it's really like the -1, which is right here. Alright, so now we're going to do the tennis thing. Alright, so remember this is my net. I want to hit the complex one over first. So I'm going to say -3x to both sides. Alright, so I'm just going to subtract those. 4x minus 3x is x. 3x minus 3x is 0 pair, and that equals 5. What's my variable? It's x. What's being done to x being subtracted by 1, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides, so x equals 6. And that's my answer. And again, I could go up there and check it, make sure it's right, so we go on from there.